Oh my god, Japan is getting attacked by pirates. And their ship have been spotted at Osaka Bay. Just kidding! This is actually the La Santa Maria, modeled after Columbus' ship. But instead of going to America, you voyage around the beautiful Osaka Bay. The ship is a motif built 2 tons larger than his. I don't think size matters, right guys? Whether you're an explorer at heart or just here for the vibes, this is the way to experience Osaka from the water. Funny thing was, I even saw an IKEA in the distance. I mean, look at this thing. I feel like I should be climbing the mast and fighting off rival pirate ships. Fire the cannons. Defend the ship. Okay, they don't actually work, but a pirate can dream, right? And for all my history buffs, there's a mini museum on board, where you can learn about Columbus's actual journey to the American continent. Fun fact, he never actually set foot in what we now call the USA. That blew my mind. It was quite dark down there, honestly. I guess that is why they kept the hostages down there. I was even worried rats were going to pop out too. All that sailing got me starving, and luckily this ship's got frankfurters. Fried chicken, rice burgers, and even gelato. You can still see the oceanic views from the portholes while you indulge on the good eats. Talk about romantic. And the best part? We're just 5 minutes away from Kaiyukan Aquarium, the Temposen Ferris wheel, and even Legoland. So you can go from pirate to Lego builder real quick. Pro tip, grab the Osaka Amazing Pass to save money on this and other attractions. And if you book on Klook, use code MLJNW7 for an extra discount. If you're in Osaka, La Santa Maria is a must. Follow Your Happy BFFs on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more adventures. And as always, will this be your next stop?